If you are living in Saudi Arabia, you definitely need a bank account. I am Abubakar Mokhtar, and in today's video, I will show step by step how to create Riyad Bank account less than 5 minutes. So let's get started. Firstly, go to Play Store and download Riyad Bank app. Search Riyad Bank and tap on download. I already have it on my phone. I will open it now. Now, when it's open, tap on join us. Before we get started, make sure you are 18 years above and you have registered an Abushar account, you have registered national address, and you have a mobile number that linked to your Igama with Nafat app. Now enter your ID number, mobile number, and your email address. Once you tap all that information, agree to their terms and conditions and click on confirm. And now you will receive our OTP verification code. Once you receive it, start typing it. Now Nafat verification. Open your Nafat app and tap on accept, tap on process. Then you will enter the number that display on your app. Select it here and enter your Nafat pin. Now complete your face verification. Once your request is approved, then go back to your Riyad Bank app to continue. Now if you have national address, your information will appear here. Just tap continue. Now they ask if you have resident in another country, tap on no to continue again. Now financial information, what is your job section? Check it and select your own section here. Now your professional status, laborer, investor, judge, and others. Scroll down to check your personal information. For me, let's choose label. And what is your income source? It is salary, bonuses, how much you earn in a month. Let me choose 2,500 for example. And do you have any additional of income? Select no or yes. Purpose of account opening, is it correct saving? Once you don't, tap on continue. Main branch, the app has automatically choose the nearest branch by your national address. You can also change it anytime you want. Now they ask if you are politician, expert, personal, or diploma. If no, choose no. Are you a person with disability? No. Then click on continue. Now create your login details. First create username, then password. Your password must contain a capital and small letter and special character, and your password must be 8 digit. After that, confirm the password and tap on done. And now you will receive a call from a bank. The bank will call you to confirm your registration, and the bank will request you to select a number. Once you select it, your request will be confirmed. And once they confirm it, you will receive a verification code. And once you receive it, start tapping it, and it will take you to the next step. And now your account is processing. Just give them like 1 minute to complete your account setup. Let's keep waiting. Now our account is now active. And now your full name, your account number, and your IBAN number will display on your screen like this. Just tap on login to log into your account. Once your application home screen, just enter your username or igama number, then your password. And then tap on login. And they ask question that do you want to trust this device. They mention your device name, and notice that if you don't want to use it as a trusted device, you can tap on no. If you want it, just tap on yes, trust it. And you will receive a bank call. Once you pick the call and confirm your request, then they will send you your OTP. Once you receive the OTP, just start tapping it to continue. After tapping it, boom, you have successfully logged into your Riyad Bank app. I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. So that is it. You are now a member of Riyad Bank. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share it to your friend. See you in the next one.